Hello everyone, you're watching TorqueKingTV. I'm Matt, your product highlight video host. Today, I'm showcasing a QK7004 Bendix parking brake lever replacement small parts kit. These kits are for 1972 to 1993 Dodge and 1968 to 1997 Ford 3/4 ton and 1 ton trucks equipped with Dana full float rear axles with drum brakes. The kit includes a spring, washer, pivot bushing, pivot bolt, and lock nut that are all made in the USA. You will need to order QK7004 for each side. To replace the wheel cylinder on these Bendix brake systems, you have to remove the park brake lever from the backing plate. To do this, take off the QU95033 lock nut and drive or pry QU20055 pivot bolt from the backing plate. Since both parts were designed with a single-use component, they should be replaced for maximum retention and safety. For more tech notes and applications, as well as where to purchase for your own rig, visit our website at TorqueKing.com. Hey friends! We sure appreciate you watching these videos. Check us out on the web by clicking the links down below in the description and do the right thing. Give us a like, subscribe, and comment on what you saw, or even let us know if there's a product you want to see. Then hit the notification bell so you don't miss it when it comes up. We are working hard to give you good information here at Torque King. Thanks for watching, and until next time, good luck keeping your rig on the road.